Hello, my friends. Today we are going to discuss or discover the SUMPRODUCT functions in Excel. SUMPRODUCT functions, it's take an array or it's an array functions, which mean that if you need to take this column, multiply that column, cost to multiply the units and get the total there. If you are going to use the simple or a traditional way, you get equal. We're going to take this cell, multiply that one, enter, and complete that cell with the autofill and get at the end the sum and sum all of this. This is the number we're going to get it with SUMPRODUCT, but with just an easier way. Get this equals SUMPRODUCT. SUMPRODUCT, it's an array functions. It just its argument take array 1, array 2, array 3, and that's it. We are going to take the cost, comma, the column of the units, and that's it. Here we get the same number. But we get another tricks in the SUMPRODUCT, we can use it. You can use a SUMPRODUCT with a filter. What does that mean? Suppose that you need to multiply the cost, multiply the units, and get the sum, but with a criteria for the year 2008, for example. So if we get a traditional way and a sum for that numbers, here it is the number that we are going to get it with the SUMPRODUCT. How we are going to use that equals SUMPRODUCT. Open a new bracket, take the column of the year and get its criteria equal to 2008. Close the bracket and tell the SUMPRODUCT to multiply or get from this column, multiply with, open a new bracket with the cost column. Multiply, open up new brackets with the unit column and close your brackets, and that's it. This is the same number in a simple and an easier way. Okay, now we're going another tricks. If you want to use a new or a two criteria, for example, we need the 2008, okay, and used. So we need this number to get it from the SUMPRODUCT with the two criteria. Watch this, equal SUMPRODUCT. Open your brackets. I'm going to tell a SUMPRODUCT, please take from the first column, which is year, the criteria 2008, close your brackets, multiply, open a new brackets, and take from the case. And tell SUMPRODUCT to take the criteria equal used, and because it is a text, we're going to put it between the two parentheses, close the bracket, multiply, tell the SUMPRODUCT, please take the cost, multiply, open the brackets, take the units, close your brackets, close your another brackets, and that it entered that number that we needed here. Hope you enjoy the SUMPRODUCT functions and hope you enjoyed its tricks. Please, if you need any another functions in Excel, just write it in the comments and I'm going to record a new videos for you. Enjoy.